So I wanted to speak a moment about the way you warm up in the morning, even if it is the early morning and you make very simple things like mute exercises, for example. Something very, very simple, something very easy. Also, that should be done with awareness and with consciousness about your breath. So when you do this, try to find immediately a very clean attacco, a very clean moment where the vocal folds come together and create the compression underneath. We work and we sing with compressed air, so it's not just taking the breath and somehow. It's not this. We get a moment between the inhalation and the singing where we need to organize our breath. It's a split of a second. It's like very fast, but there is a moment where we need to create a sort of vacuum, of compressed air underneath the vocal folds. So the vocal folds closed, and when you're ready, you start singing. You start singing, you warm up with the mute, the same. You want to try? Better, very good. And so think always a very stable, consistent sound, even if it is piano, same quality, like a siren. Can you do this? And the more it is stable, the more it is quiet, the vibrato, the best it is. The best control, it means that you do have. Better. Quiet. Yes. Better. Fantastic. Now your vibrato is quiet. It's not all over the place. This means when it is too bright, too broad, your vibrato, too nervous, you actually are not really controlling your breath. Your breath is all over the places, so your voice becomes very unstable and very nervous. So the secret is to have a control on your breath and to create, thanks to the attacco, the moment where you close the vocal folds, yeah. Yeah. The conditions to have control on your breath. It's like as if you would sing you understand? Try. That's very nice, very good. It sings nothing, but it's not, because you are having now really control, and then you will sing also like this, legato, and having a control on your breath. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.